Oh, yellow flowers. Do not take it out. Do not do that. That's not nice. They're going to get mad at you at the store. Bonds is going to get mad. You can't do that. Just leave it out. Just leave it alone. You can have it. Keep it with you. It's just for smelling. No, because this is a store. Aiden, this is a store. This is not for doing that with. You can't pick them at the store. You can pick them at home, but not at the store. Okay? Do you understand? People are going to buy these, and they don't want them to be all picked. They want them to be pretty. Look at the tulips, honey. Look, tulips, smell those. Don't pick it, or you will get